watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves you follow me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Butterfly Kitchen, the taste of mom's food. So today we will learn the most favorite spicy chicken fry recipe in South Indian homemade style. It is one of my favorite recipes. Try to prepare it the same way and you will definitely love it. For this recipe you need around 1 kg of fresh chicken. To that add some salt, turmeric and 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder and 3 teaspoons of chilli powder to it. Also add some fresh mint leaves. Now crush some garlic and add to the chicken. Add little water and mix all the ingredients well. Cook it on a medium flame until chicken becomes soft. Meanwhile, prepare the masala for the recipe. For this, take some garlic cloves, ginger and 2 green chillies. Also add 1 big chopped onion and 1 big chopped tomato into a mixie jar. To it add cinnamon, few fennel seeds and cloves, then grind it into a very fine paste. Check the boiling chicken in between, mix it well, and once the chicken becomes tender, stop the flame. Now take a pan, add around 5 teaspoons of oil into it, then add vadium, the traditional South Indian seasoning ingredient. Also add some sliced green chilies, fry it and add some sliced onions, curry leaves to it. Add garlic cloves, fry it for a bit and add sliced tomatoes and mix it well. Now add the prepared masala paste and fry it for a minute. Then add 2 teaspoons of chilli powder and coriander powder. Fry it for a minute. Add the boiled chicken and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and check the seasoning. Add little pepper powder, coriander leaves and mix it well. Then add around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it and let it sit for 1 more minute and your spicy hot chicken fry is ready to serve. Hope you guys liked our video. For many more interesting videos and updates, please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to activate notifications. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.